Oh, this is recorded?
It's live stream through the Facebook page.
Oh.
Damn.
Who's going, mate? Alright.
That's the man.
So, we're working on a project called Dead Presidents, and it's not as bad as it sounds. The idea is that we're using IBM Watson to convert transcripts from speeches into personalities. So, we're trying to emulate the experience of people who are no longer here through the things they say.
Nice, nice. All right, guys. Thank you.
Got it.
All right. Excuse me. How you guys doing? Hey, can you explain to me exactly what you're doing?
Oh, the project that we're working on, it's basically a game that works off the concepts of popular games like Flappy Bird and an old game that I used to play as a kid called Brick Breaker. So my objective is to create a simple app, like, you know, something like Flappy Bird, but something that appeals to everyone and they get addicted to it, you know, something like that.
Nice. Thank you.
Yo, the dirty jokes are so fun.
How you guys doing? Can you guys explain to me exactly what you're working on?
Right now, nothing. I mean, we're working on the project, but a few hours earlier we decided to, like, scratch it up.
Change it up?
Yeah.
It happens, I understand.
We're just making some modification. We'll see what comes out there.
Alright. Good luck, guys. Thank you. How are you guys doing?
Hey, how are you?
I'm good.
Alright. Can you guys tell me what you guys up to?
Yeah.
No. Not for the school? It's the school's Facebook page.
Yeah.
Live stream.
Ceci, talk about it. Yeah, it's a live stream.
Live stream.
Talk about
Are we
it.
live right now?
Yes,
The thing is, someone just took our ideas.
They didn't take our idea. There's someone with a similar idea, but what we're doing is that this is a epileptic type of sensor detection. So what it does is that we have a sensor on the body with a vibration sensor, so that we can detect the muscle contraction of when someone's having a seizure, as well as the rate of vibration, so that we can have an accurate depiction of if they're really having a seizure or if they're just outside playing. So that's where we're at right now.
No problem, guys. It's all about execution.
That's right. Thank
All right,
you.
good luck. How are you guys doing?
Pretty good. How are you?
Good. What are you guys up to?
Alright, so basically we want to create a safe space for internet users, because virtually everybody uses the internet nowadays. So there's a lot of offensive content on like web pages and things of that nature. So like to protect people who can get offended by such like offensive comments or things like that, what we want to do is basically have a Chrome extension where you enter in the URL that you want to go to, and our code will basically scrape the page for like all the HTML content and things of that nature, and then it will clean it up, you know, just get the text value, and then we'll use IBM Watson. They have a API called Tone Analyzer that can analyze the emotion of the text. So basically, yeah, it's pretty cool. So we'll use that to determine if the tone is hostile and things of that nature. And we also have a database of like disrespectful words and things of that nature. And we'll check the content of the web page against that database, and we will rate the content with the level of offensiveness, so that basically we can warn the user and be like, you know, this like, let's say on a scale of 1 to 10, you know, if it's a 7, we'll tell the user, like, you know, this page is offensive, are you sure you want to continue? And then we'll also have a graph of like different different just disrespectful words that are mentioned in the page and things like that, so the user can be more.
All right, guys.
Oh, wait.
All right, thank you. Excuse me. How you doing? Can you tell me what you're working on?
Right now I'm studying, but what I was working on was, you know, stenographers for court cases?
Yeah.
How they have to type up everything? Well, at the moment, speech to text doesn't really, it's not very good for that. Because let's say someone stutters, there's a specific way to write it when you're a stenographer. You put like dashes if they stutter, you know? And also, if someone gets cut off, like someone interrupts someone else, when you're typing, like I actually have an example here for, here's one of the court cases. Like if someone interrupts someone else, you have but, and then the guy starts speaking, so you have dashes. And also, you know, they stutter or they repeat words. There's a specific way to write for stenographers. So I wanted to, you know, change IBM speech to text, Watson, to be able to work that way. But I hit a roadblock. I was going to start a little bit, and I was going to go back to that.
Go back to it.
But yeah,
It actually sounds like a great idea.
yeah.
All right, thank you. All right. Now, break. How you guys doing? Hey, I just want to ask you guys a simple question. What are you guys doing?
Big client server.
Yeah.
Oh, I already answered it? Oh, okay. I'm sorry. This is like another group of people. It's Facebook Live. Do you mind answering one more time?
Like, to what group? Like MangoHacks? Like, is it?
Oh, this is for the school of Computer and Information Sciences.
Okay. Cool.
But all right. Thank you, guys. How you guys doing?
Pretty good, how are you?
All right. Don't mean to interrupt you, but I just have a question for you guys. What are you guys working on?
We're working on an Alexa skill that involves taking,
It was like inputting a bunch of data about fruits and vegetables so that then you can ask Alexa to give you information about different fruits or vegetables.
whether they're in season or not, and what smoothies you can make, because that's important.
Right. I like that. I like that idea. All right. Thank you, guys.
Thanks.
I think that's all the group. Well, I might be working on homework.
We do, but there's two back.
Maybe working on homework.
The first, like half of the test, and the second half people